Your living room is about to change forever. Apple just dropped the brand new tvOS 26.4 update for the Apple TV 4K. They hid 5 massive secret features inside it. I'm going to be completely honest with you right now. Other streaming boxes are officially dead in 2026. Their market is completely over. Let us look at the real facts. Other popular streaming sticks currently have super slow app loading times. Some platforms are even stuffing huge, unskippable ads right onto your home screen. Nobody wants that in their living room. Meanwhile, the Apple TV 4K is pulling way ahead of the competition. The last update was a little boring. It just gave us basic profile swaps and minor bug fixes. But tvOS 26.4 is an absolute masterpiece. We're talking about perfect glitch-free audio, totally new AI movie guides, and secret codes proving a new AI Apple TV is coming soon. Make sure you watch until the very end of this video. The final feature completely blew my mind. Let's dive right in. Let's talk about feature number 1. This is exactly what everyone has been begging for. It is called continuous audio connection. Have you ever experienced this annoying issue? You sit down and watch a great movie. You press play, but for the first 2 seconds, there is absolutely no sound. Or even worse, when you switch from a YouTube video to a Netflix movie, your expensive soundbar makes a loud popping noise. It completely ruins the whole movie theater vibe in your home. This happens because your TV and your speakers are basically shaking hands every single time the audio format changes. Going from standard stereo to Dolby Atmos takes a little bit of time. But tvOS 26.4 finally stops this huge problem. With this brand new update, Apple keeps the audio pipeline wide open all the time. It sends a silent active signal to your speakers even when nothing is playing on the screen. There are no more awkward handshakes. There are no more audio delays. There are no more popping sounds. If you have a premium soundbar or a nice receiver setup, this one single feature makes the Apple TV 4K the absolute best streaming box on the planet. Moving right along to feature number 2. Let me ask you a very real question. How many hours of your life have you wasted just scrolling on your TV, trying to find something good to watch? You check one app, then you check another. You spend 30 minutes searching and 0 minutes actually watching anything. Apple knows this is a massive problem for users. So in tvOS 26.4, they're bringing back a famous Apple feature, but making it so much better. It is called Genius Browse. You might remember the word genius from the old music days. Now it is living right on your Apple TV home screen. This is a super smart content discovery tool. Instead of just showing you random popular shows that you do not care about, Genius Browse actually learns what you like. It creates awesome specific categories just for you. It builds lists like action-packed sci-fi or good for date night. And the very best part is that it does not just show you Apple shows. It pulls movies and shows from all your other apps too. When you click on a movie, it instantly builds a brand new list of related movies right below it. It is exactly like having a really smart friend who knows exactly what you want to watch. This saves so much time every single night. Feature number 3 is a massive quality of life upgrade. Let's talk about subtitles. People use subtitles for almost everything now. Actors whisper way too much in modern movies. But changing how your subtitles look on the Apple TV used to be a total nightmare. You had to stop your movie. Then you had to exit the app completely. You had to go all the way into the main system settings. Then you had to find accessibility and tweak the text. It took way too many clicks and ruined the movie experience. Not anymore. In tvOS 26.4, you get system-wide subtitle customization right inside the video player. If you're watching a show, you just swipe up on your remote. You click the little speech bubble icon. The menu pops up right there. You can make the text bigger. You can make the background transparent. You can change the font style instantly. You can see the changes happen live on your screen without ever stopping your movie. It sounds like a really small detail, but trust me on this. When you're watching a dark movie and the bright subtitles are blinding you, this quick fix is an absolute lifesaver. Feature number 4 is actually a goodbye. We are losing something major in tvOS 26.4. But honestly, it is for the best. Apple is permanently deleting the classic old movies and TV shows apps from your home screen. They're gone forever. If you have been using Apple products for a long time, this might feel a little sad. We all remember buying our first digital movies. But having 3 different apps to watch TV just does not make any sense anymore. It confused a lot of people. Now, every single thing you own is forced into the main Central TV app. All your purchased movies, all your TV shows, and all your wish lists are wrapped up into one clean interface. It makes the home screen look so much cleaner and modern. It also makes the whole Apple TV run a little faster. It does not have to load those old, heavy apps in the background anymore. Simple is always better when it comes to technology. We finally made it to feature number 5. I told you to stay until the end, and this is exactly why. This feature is not something you can see on your screen right now. This is hidden deep inside the actual code of the tvOS 26.4 update. Smart tech developers dug into the hidden system files. They found 3 massive secrets about what Apple is actually planning for the rest of 2026. First, they found code for live Formula One racing integration directly built into the TV app. Apple is heavily rumored to be buying more massive sports rights. This secret code basically proves it is happening soon. Second, there is hidden code for streaming video straight to your car dashboard using Apple CarPlay. Imagine sitting in your parked car, charging your battery. You can watch your favorite shows right on the dash. But here is the biggest and best secret of all. The system code references brand new unreleased hardware. It points directly to a massive AI-powered Apple TV dropping later this year. This new box is expected to be a full smart home hub. It will use heavy artificial intelligence to control your cameras, your lights, and learn your viewing habits perfectly. This tvOS 26.4 update is just laying the foundation. Apple is getting the software ready right now, so the new hardware can shine later. In my honest opinion, the Apple TV 4K was already great, but tvOS 26.4 makes it flawless. The fixed audio connection alone is worth the upgrade. Apple is clearly setting the stage for an AI-powered future in our living rooms. If you want a smooth, ad-free, premium experience, nothing else even comes close right now. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button. Share this video with a friend who loves tech. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.